Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the gas valve in your Napoleon fireplace. So to start with, we're going to remove this front cover, just lift up and out, and right here you can see our gas valve. We want to make sure that the gas valve is shut off first and foremost. Next, we're going to remove this front glass piece by pulling the spring toward you and then either up or down depending on the location. There should be 4 of these, and then you can remove the whole glass assembly. And next we're going to remove our logs, and this base plate is held in with a few screws on the face, and then there's also a few screws on the back side that we'll need to remove as well. And this whole assembly will simply slide out like so. Next, what we're going to do is remove this metal plate. Actually, you don't need to remove the 3 screws on the round piece. Just leave those in and it'll be easier. Next, we're going to remove the connectors for the gas valve. We have a yellow grounding wire. The orange is for our pilot and the green wire is for our main burner. And next, what we're going to do is loosen our gas fitting. So we'll get that loosened and this whole assembly will simply slide out. So now that we have this assembly out, we're going to remove the outlet side of the gas valve. I found that channel locks and vice grips work best for this. Pipe pliers just are too bulky for this job. So we're going to remove this tube for the pilot and then the main burner. Now our gas valve is free. Now this is a great time to blow through the pilot and the main burner to make sure that there's no debris or anything in there. So I took a few minutes to just blow those out. Okay, so here's our new gas valve. We need to move these parts over. So we'll start by removing this bracket that holds it to that bottom base plate. It's just 4 screws here. We'll slide that off and slide it on to the new one. And next what we're going to do is remove these 2 fittings for our flare joints for our flex lines. So we're just going to reapply some pipe dope to our threads here, and we'll reinstall on the new gas valve. Alright, so now we can basically reassemble. We're going to install our main gas line, our pilot line, and then we'll go ahead and take a second and clean off any residual pipe dope here before we set this assembly back in place. So just doing this in reverse order, we're going to set this back into place. We're going to reconnect our main gas line, making sure that that flare doesn't have any debris on the smooth surface there. Do not put pipe dope on these flare joints because they do not require it. We're going to make sure that's good and tight. And we can go ahead and fasten this base plate back in place. Don't worry about the gas valve yet. We're going to hold this up from the bottom now, line up our holes on that little bracket that we attached to the gas valve, and then we can reattach those, making sure that the gas valve is securely mounted. So next we're going to reconnect. Our main burner is green, the orange wire is for the pilot, and our ground will go up here on the top on that little tab. And that wire will be yellow with green stripes. Next we're going to place this cover piece back in place and reattach all of these screws. Now we want to make sure that these holes where the main flames come out are not being covered up with any of these little rocks. So we're going to place them strategically, set our logs back in the proper position here. Now before we restore our gas and turn that back on, we're going to spray down all the fittings with soapy water and make sure that we have zero leaks coming out of here. And now we can go ahead and restore gas and test out the system. So this system has a spark igniter, so we'll notice the pilot light come on and then our main flame, which this was the culprit. The main flame was not wanting to come on before, and as you can see now, we are good to go. Thank you guys for watching. If you appreciated this video, leave it a thumbs up and check out this playlist for more furnace repair videos. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.